This is a quick demonstration for the triggers available in the Soundscape Adventure. Let's start with the scenes. When we activate a scene, we can select a mode to play or stop. Let me show you how to configure that. We need to go to the configuration of the scene, go to the Soundscape Adventure tab. We select the soundscape. We select the mode. We select the action to play or to stop. And when we activate the scene, that mode will play or stop. Other options that we have are related to the region. We can draw a region here in the scene, right? Let me give a name to this region. And let's add a behavior to that region. We select mood play events and let's give a name. And now we can select an event, the token enters, and let's select the mood to play. We can select the mode to play, to stop, or a custom configuration inside the mode that I will show in a bit. And let me add another behavior here. To stop the mode, and we need to select the right mode here. And yeah, when we enter in the region, the mode start playing, and when we exit, the mode stop playing. And we have an option here for the regions as well that is a custom configuration inside the mode. Let me show you how that works. We have this behavior when we enter in the region, we start playing the mode. Let me remove the exit, or actually let me edit here. And now, instead of stop, I will select the custom option here. And basically, when we enter in the region, we will start playing this mode, the tavern mode, right? That is here. And when we exit the region, we want to do something different. We don't want to stop the mode. We want to, for example, play or stop specific sounds inside the mode. To do that, I need to go to the mode and I need to edit here. For example, let me edit here. I want to play this sound when I exit the tavern. And let me give a name. Just to make it clear. Basically, I can select the action. In this case, I want to play the sound, and I want to play based on the region. Okay, we can make the same configuration for combats, and the event will be exit. Okay, now when I enter, we have the mood playing, and when we exit, we have that sound. As you can see here. And the last option is related to the combat. Let me show here. For example, I want to play this specific mode when a combat starts. Let me select to play, combat, and start. Let me save, and Let me edit this comment. Let me start a new one. And here you go. We have that mode playing. And let's stop the mood. If we want to remove all triggers from the mood, we can click here in the edit and click on these remove all triggers for this mood. And we can do the same for the tavern. And that's it.